Hi there. Today's video is about how to install floating shelving brackets. I'm Mike Stokes with Lush Planet Design Build. So let's start with the gear. First is the floating bracket itself. This one made by Koots products. I don't know if you can read that, but there you go. That's the product. If you can read it, you could even run the SKU if you could. Anyways, so here's the bracket. Basically, this shaft goes into the shelves. We're not going to have any studs where these are going to go, so we're going to use a heavy-duty drywall anchor. So the next thing that you'll see is the holes in the shelving unit itself. And then I just took a chisel and chiseled out around so that the whole unit will drop in there. I'm not going to pound it in right now, but it'll drop in there. So this was first done on a drill press to get it nice and straight. And then after I had it with the drill press, it probably went about this deep on the drill press, and then I finished out the hole up to that deep once it was already set with the drill. This is a 7/16 bit. Here, just a little review of my chisels. It's a couple of old chisels that I've got. I actually like to use the grinder, quick and dirty way to sharpen them up. I just try to take the grinder and really flat on this side, sharpen it up, and then try to hit the 3 angles. And it seems to work really well. I get a lot of life out of these, even without taking super good care of them. You can say they've sat out in the rain by accident a few times. I have 2 sizes, one for the small edge and then one for the longer edge. I don't right now have a longer one, but I would even use a fatter one because it'll give you a straighter line along the edge. So that's it. Oh, one more thing in terms of our gear. So we're going to use 4 of these easy anchors, and these ones just drive straight in. This will go straight into the drywall, and then we'll set one of these screws through it. I just want to show you how these toggles work here. So you can see here it is. There's the metal tab, and then you screw this into the wall. Just drive it in with a screwdriver. You'll see me do it. And then when the screw goes in, it pushes out that tab like that. And then it'll lock in, and I can't do it without having it in the wall, but it'll suck this back to the wall. So you've got this whole big plane that's holding the drywall and your mounting surface. The client sent me a picture that looked about like that. So that's what we're going to do. I'm just going to install these floating right here.